Hello guys, welcome to my channel with JR of Talents, and in today's video we are gonna look at the chapter 8, that is motion, and it's a physics chapter of class 9 CBSE. So we are going to look at the important questions of the same chapter, physics in motion. So let's get into it. So here comes a first question. Let's read the question now. An airplane accelerates down a runway at 3.20 meter per second square for 3.28 seconds until it finally lifts off the ground. Determine the distance traveled before takeoff. So here the question asks that what is the distance traveled by the airplane? Okay, and we have also been given that the acceleration of it is 3.20 meters square, and we have also been given the time over here, and it's nothing but 3.28 seconds, and we have to determine or find the distance traveled by the flight before the takeoff. So let's solve it now. So let's solve it. So here first we'll write the information given to us. So given, we have been said that the flight was in rest first. So the initial velocity would be 0. Equal to 0. Okay, and now the acceleration is also given to us. So let's write the acceleration. So we have seen in the question what is the acceleration. It's nothing but 3.20 meter per second square. Okay. We also have the time given to us. So let's also write the time. The time is, here as you can see, it's 3.28 seconds. So let's write it 3.28 seconds. So this is the information that we have from the question. Now let's see what can we do with the information given to us. And now in this question we can use our second equation of motion. So do you guys remember what is the second equation of motion? It's nothing but S is equal to half AT square plus UT, or we can also write it as S is equal to UT plus half AT square. It doesn't matter much. Okay. So now let's substitute the values that we have got before. So first we know the acceleration, right? Let's substitute acceleration then half into, what is the acceleration? We have seen it here, 3.20 meter per second square. 3.20. And time, we also know the time, right, is nothing but 32.8 seconds. So 32.8 whole square. Okay, and we have the other part left, UT. So plus, what is U over here that we have got? I'm just keeping brackets for it. U is nothing but the initial velocity. We know that U initial velocity is 0 and time is again 3.8. 32.8, right? So we should just solve it now. So if we'll solve it, we'll be left with only this part. it is nothing but half plus 3.20 into 32.8 whole square, because here 0 into anything is 0, so we have removed this part. So if we add anything to 0, the answer would be same. So now if we calculate it, the answer would be nothing but 1721.344. Don't forget the units, it's m. So that's it. This is the final answer. So this is the distance. What they have asked to find the distance before it takes off, right? It's nothing but 172.344 meters. So these are the steps that we followed in the answer. The first step is we wrote the given values, that is the initial velocity is 0 meter per second, acceleration 3.20 meter per second square, t, that is time, is 32.8 seconds. The second step, this is quite a basic equation of second equation of motion that we use, and s is equal to ut plus half at square was the second equation of motion, as we already know. Then the third step is we substituted the values. S became 0.5 into 3.20 into 32.8 into 2. So the fourth step, that we solved it and we got the answer as 1721.344 meters. It's just a quite simple procedure for answering such types of questions. So that's enough for today. If you have any doubts, don't at all get worried. Let me know in the comment section and I'll try to provide you the answer as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video. I hope that you are fully thrilled and enjoyed. And then keep calm and stay cool. Please comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel right here. And this is WebGR of Talents. Thank you.